Cause every time we touch I get this feeling, and we be turning up to the ceiling. And every time we kiss I feel the static. Girl, I know that you know you the baddest. Cause every time we touch I get this feeling, and we be turning up to the ceiling. I'm rolling down so loud it get me so hot. Cause every time we touch I swear I could fly. I still hear a voice in my dreams when I'm with my boys posted up in the streets, or when I'm in the studio working on beats or ring in my ear like a sweet melody. I feel so much static, my phone never dies. She's sweeter than honey, went back to her high. Pulled up in a spaceship straight from District 9. Think I found the answer, ain't talking AI. When I'm with you I got nothing to hide. Bonnie and Clyde, you my partner in crime. We go together just like Lean and Sprite. When I'm with you everything feel alright. Had lots of ops plotting on our demise, so we made it through, now we can't rest our eyes. They bet against us, they didn't bet right. Now we're here, Cause every time we touch I get this feeling, and we be turning up to the ceiling. And every time we kiss I feel the static. Girl, I know that you know you the baddest. Cause every time we touch
Heartbeat slow. I've been blowing on some hydro, and you know I got my eyes low.
Yeah, you know that shit. I be blowing L's like I'm Seth Rogen. She be ripping on my shirt like I'm Hulk Hogan. Cause these bands so fat that they can't fold them. Say whoa, whoa, hold that shit. I be blowing L's like I'm Seth Rogen. She be ripping on my shirt like I'm Hulk Hogan. Cause these blunts so fat that they can't roll them. Say whoa, whoa, hold that shit. Unload that clip, roll that tip. We love this shit. When I get to throwing bills, you gon' need a raincoat. I've been blowing on some perp, I ain't talking space code. She be running up a check like her name Usain Bolt. I've been stacking up this bread like some fucking Legos. Cause every time we touch I get this feeling, and we be turning